Oh Lord, it's been like a little epidemic for me. My once favorite battery brand, I think I gave up on a few years ago. Still another leak. Had more damn leaking energizers lately. Of course, it is an old battery. So I applied the usual remedy, which is vinegar, Q-tips, scrub away the white powder till it's gone. Unfortunately, you never are as good as you were. There's a layer of chrome, nichrome or whatever they had coated on the contact here. That's gone forever. So it's never going to be what it was. But sure, it's a lot better than leaving it corroded. Let me go over it one more time, and I'll neutralize it with something too, instead of just leaving it, with an acidic after coating of the vinegar. You want to get that off. Gearhead mouse. This mouse does really well on batteries, maybe too well. It gets neglected. Put old batteries in it and let them go forever. But you can see it came with it's a wireless mouse, and it came with a wireless keyboard, and it's very inexpensive. And you see it's got a lot of wear on it. This button's a little sucked in. The keyboard still works. I don't really have much trouble with the keyboard. Once in a while I get a dead character. It's probably because of the crummy batteries I had in there, though. You see there's a lot of wear on this keyboard. It's held up very well for inexpensive stuff. I've had pretty good luck with Gearhead.